Hello and welcome back. Our latest arrival is a Santorini black Range Rover D300 HSE with features including the shadow exterior package, privacy glass, sliding panoramic sunroof, 23-inch upgraded gloss black wheels, head-up display, soft closing doors and much more. Inside we have an ebony leather seating with Polino headliner and brown walnut wood veneer. Full details including price and image gallery can be found on our website avsvehicles.com or by using the link in the description. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for future updates, and we'll see you in the next one.